Hello friend, welcome to my channel WildCreed. I am MK Roy. In this video I'll discuss on the nvidia in-game overlay not working problem. If you have a nvidia graphics card in your PC and you want to record your desktop screen and your gameplay by using nvidia shadow play option, this video can help you a lot. After installing a new nvidia software update, if you see that nvidia in-game overlay not working like me, so you should customize some settings. At first, you should check your Windows operating system bitrate. I have Windows 10 and this is 64-bit. Now go to control panel. After that, click on program and features. Search for the new Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable version. This is 2015 to 2019 version and my operating system is 64-bit. Actually, this problem is happening for the C++ versions. So how we solve that error? Go to your Google and click on this page for the latest C++ versions. In this page, you can find two versions are available, 86 and the 64 bits. I have 64-bit operating system, so I should install this 64-bit version. But in my past experience, when I installed the 64-bit version, this problem reappears. So after that, I plan to install 64-bit and 86-bit versions in the same time. So first, we install 86-bit version. Click on repair. And now restart the PC. After that, download and install the 64-bit version. Now click on restart. Now open the GeForce Experience window. Go to your nvidia account and click on General. You can see my nvidia in-game overlay is running now. Now open the control panel again and double check the C++ redistributable version. Now you can see my C++ redistributable version is 2015 to 2022 and the past version was 2015 to 2019. And my nvidia in-game overlay is running properly. Thanks for watching my video and please subscribe my channel WildCreed and please support my channel.